Guys, it is time for y'all to meet my son. Pantera. Hi. What you're doing? Oh goodness, you're sleeping? You're slapping or no? Are you slapping? Okay, I think it's okay if you go back. Night-night. This is his couch. What's that? Okay, bye. Did someone vandalize my 350Z? Yes, but it was me, so it's okay. I did it using this, that, and that. So it washed off mostly. I didn't give it a proper wash, but I just rinsed it off because it's too cold to give it a real car wash. So did I fake it? Yeah, but it's okay. Everything on the internet is fake. Most of it. Almost everything on the internet is fake. But there's real money to be made from it, so that's why I do it. And it's fun. It's like a game. The better it performs, the more money you make. And it keeps it fun. It keeps it entertaining. Okay, that is it. And I'm not even claiming it to be real. But people believe it. So that's why, for now, I can keep on doing that. Because the game continues to reward that type of content. Anywho, the most unfathomable thing is happening today. Me, XaKo, is going to buy books today. Do y'all know how dumb that sounds? Me buying books? Or just in general as an idea? As a thought of buying books. Never in a billion gazillion years did I think I was going to buy books, but I am spending $30 on books today. That's so dumb. I'm going to do it. Because these 2 books that I'm buying today, I've dibble-dabbled with them online for free. But the problem with that is that I read a few pages, and then I get out and go to another app and do other stuff. So there's no commitment when it's free, when it's given to you. So I think if I spend $30, that's a lot of money. If I do that, I'm actually going to read the whole book, and it'll be better for me in the long run. Good investment. I think it's logical to just buy the book in person. So that's why we're right now outside of Barnes & Noble, mentally preparing to go inside and buy the book. It'll be quick. Get in, get the book, get out. And then go down the road to Target to get my other book. I'm getting 2 books. Why am I doing this? It's because my New Year's resolution. I've never had a New Year's resolution. And I don't think I have one this year either, because I don't know what it is. Just be better all the time. You know, just having an ongoing resolution, I guess. I don't know where I'm going with this. Wait, I do know where I'm going with this. Where I'm going with all this is that, not to be cocky, but I'm pretty good at everything I do. And not once have I tried at anything. So can y'all imagine how good I would be at stuff if I actually tried? I could be successful if I really wanted to. Well, I do, but not really. Y'all know, like, I'm not trying to be successful. But you know what? I think it's time I start trying to be. Because I can do it. It's easy. Well, not easy, but it is easy. Yeah, you know what? Watch me. Watch me walk in there and buy my book. And that'd be a success if I go in there and get my book. Okay, bye. I am talking too much. Bye. Look at that. Look at the rims. They are dirty. Because of have y'all seen my TikTok? Y'all should go see my TikTok that I posted yesterday. I think it's like at 100K right now. Last time I checked in one night. I wonder what it's at right now. For like 120K views. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to go in here now. Bye. Here we are in here. It feels like a book fair. Like back in elementary. Like a really big book fair. I may or may not be looking for Hot Wheels right now. I think they might have Hot Wheels. I don't know. I'll keep y'all updated. Not a Hot Wheels, but pretty nice. Very nice. Found it finally, but I don't know which one. Why do they look different? I don't know. This one looks the coolest, so I'm gonna take this one. Okay, I got my final book. Very nice. Got both my books now. And then look at this dude. Look at this guy. What is this? Not even I do that. This one right yonder was $20 in stores, but I saw it for $13 online, so I asked the kind gentleman if he could do some price matching, and look at that. He was very nice, very nice person. So I got that for the online price. And this one was like $10. So I spent $25 today on books. Very nice. Now I need a bookmark. Couple bookmarks, and I need a book stand for my desk so I can prop them like that. Do y'all know what I mean? So it can be like pow, and not just like that. I don't know, but okay, bye-bye.